How to operate this wine cooler. First, please press this button for a few seconds to start it. This one is for the conversion of temperature units. You can press it for once to switch it to your expected unit. This button is for adjusting the expected temperatures. Before adjusting the temperature, you need to press it first to choose the area where you want to adjust the temperature. The right side is for upper areas, and the adjustable temperature range is 41 to 54 F. The left side is for lower areas, and its adjustable temperature range is 54 to 68 F. The button can help you light or extinguish the inner LED light. Press the plus and E in the meantime, and it helps you lock in the temperature so you won't accidentally adjust it. If you want to unlock it, you can press the plus and E again. To power off this cooler, please constantly press this button and the countdown will be displayed. Then it's off now.